In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send videos in Constant Contact. When you send video through email, it is important to understand one quick detail. Most email clients do not play videos directly inside the message. Constant Contact solves this by creating a video thumbnail image with a play icon. When someone clicks it, the video opens in a browser tab. This keeps your email reliable and compatible, while still making the video easy to access. To begin, open the email you are working on in Constant Contact, and make sure you are in the email editor where you can add and arrange content blocks. On the left side, you will see a panel with different block options you can drag into your layout. Find the video block in that left panel. Click and hold it, then drag it into your email exactly where you want the video to appear. Take a moment to place it in a spot that makes sense for your message, such as after a short introduction line that explains what the viewer is about to watch. Once the video block is in your email, click directly on that block. You will see options for that content area. Select Edit so you can connect your video to the block. Now you will add your video link. Copy the full URL for your video from the platform where it is hosted. Constant Contact supports YouTube, Vimeo, and Wistia. Paste that URL into the field in the editor. Make sure the link is complete and correct because the thumbnail and destination page are generated from that address. After you paste the link, click Insert. Constant Contact will create the video preview in your email. If the preview does not look right, go back into Edit and confirm you pasted the correct video URL. At this point, your video is ready to send through email. Review your message, and when you send your campaign, recipients will be able to click the video preview to watch. That covers everything you need to know.